guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is the results from the Doux Block Party gel. This is my wash and go. This is day 2. I really should have already filmed this intro, but I got carried and doing other things. So this is my end results. As you can see, it's very defined and there's a lot of holes. Like, I don't know if you can hear it, but it's crunchy. So yeah, if you were looking for something with excellent hold that'll define your wash and go, then I would definitely go with the Doux Block Party Gel. Okay, thank you. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Okay, so I'm starting out on freshly washed hair. I'm going to be using one product today. That's the Block Party Anti-Humidity Gel by the Doux. And I'm also going to be using this 3-row comb. Well, actually, I don't think I'm going to just use one product. I think I'm going to also use my Bamboo and Silk leave-in conditioner. Because I heard that the gel was hydrating, but I just don't want my hair to be, like, dry, if that makes sense. I'm just going to use a few squirts of that, not a whole bunch. Okay, so going back to that section that I initially had, I'm taking enough gel just to saturate the hair. Okay, as you can see. And then I'm gonna comb through it with the 3-row comb. I don't know about this product. We're gonna see. And then I saw most people use it on like dampish to dry hair. So that's also when I'm doing my hair is damp because I just washed it. But I didn't see anybody using it on soaking wet hair is what I'm trying to point out. Okay, this is about how much I'm putting on each section. As you can see, like, it's very hydrated. And you want to really put tension on the 3-row comb so that your curls get defined. I saw somebody with like shorter hair demonstrating how to use it, and they were like flipping it up at the end. But the way I like to use it, since my hair is longer, is I just imagine basically after I comb to the end, I imagine like I'm using a hot comb, to be honest. So I try to pull it through the back of it as you would with a hot comb, so that everything gets clumped and separated. I also saw somebody use this product with a dimming brush. I don't like dimming brushes, but I guess you could also use that if you don't have a 3-row comb. Okay, now to me, this is always the hardest part, is doing the back of the head. So what I like to do for the back of the head is use way bigger sections. Okay, and then I always use a clip. In today's case, I'm using a coat clip to make the other hair go out the way. So I'm going to the back of the head. I'm going to take more gel because it's a bigger section. And then I'm just going to rub it in. Make sure it's enough though. So I had to actually add a little more to that. Okay, so you can see, nice and curly. Let's do the other side. Okay, this side needs a little more gel. Still kind of puffy. Okay, now we're going to still go up on the bottom, and I'm still going to use the clip. Now I will say this product does have a good amount of slip to it, so that's always a positive. Okay, now I'm going to get the hair from the other side. So personally, I parted with my fingers, but I really think that's something that's like to your preference. You just want to make sure you have a clean section, honestly. And I'm putting gel in the section. Another thing I saw the people do is to take the gel all the way from root to tip. So I'm doing the same. Okay, and I'm going to go up the middle of the section in the back. Okay, so now I'm going to take that big old section I just took out and split it in half and add more gel. Ooh, that was a big knot back there. I didn't even realize that. Okay, now we're going to get the rest of that hair that we took out the clip. Well, I might have been a little too rough with the comb. I just broke one of the prongs on it in one spot, but okay. That's where I had the knot at, so. Okay, now we're going to do this other big section. I'm going to start with the front piece and then do the back piece. Okay, we only have one more section to go. This is how it's looking so far. Okay, so I noticed that this section right here is my definition, at least, of frizzy. So I'm going to put more gel. And I like shaking my hair all around because it'll show me if I have any like dry looking sections before I go ahead and diffuse. Or sometimes I'll let it air dry, but I think I'm going to try to diffuse today just to get the full shake of the product. Okay, and I just want to show you about how much of the gel I have left. So mind you, it was filled all the way up to this line, and this is how much I have left now. So it took a lot of gel. So, but aside from that, I think it looks pretty good. I actually don't think I'm going to diffuse it, so I'll just come back when my hair is more dry just to show the final results. But thank you for watching, especially if you're still here at this point in the video. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.